Here it is hooked up, the blower's running. You can see the it reduced. There's the oil control valve. There's the little preheater, and then back into the pipe, and then it's choked down, then flared, and then into just a large oxygen bottle. Here's a piece I'm working on out of old oil tanks called Hippocampus. So I'll go ahead and start it. I'm going to use the torch to preheat the funnel, the flare, and this is where the ignition has to turn to a gas right here, right at about 400 degrees. And so I'll start adding the fuel in. Need more hands. Okay, got the fuel coming in, and I turn the gate valve because I feel that the gate valve's open from the bottom and it collects stuff, and so if I have it open from the side or the top, it'll collect the stuff without passing it through to clog the orifice, and I can clean that out every once in a while. It is it's screened, the fuel's screened but not filtered. So now it's starting to get red, and we'll get a little fuel going in there. Add a little heat on a preheater. Doesn't need much. Not ready to go yet. We'll get it all warmed up. If I add a 220 heating element here, I think this will speed up the firing off process. You'll find as you get these things going, your sound, you'll be in tune to what sound is burning correctly and what sound is not. And so see, we're getting a little bit of smoke. This usually takes about 3 minutes. To get it to take off. I added this little side piece. This was a control butterfly controller for extra air, and then I just kind of added it to add extra air. Getting ready. That's sounding pretty good. A little more smoke. You'll know when it takes off. It's pretty obvious. Sorry about the camera. I'm trying to not leave the torch on the metal too long, and make sure you get a good visual on what I'm doing. Nice and hot. Right in here is where it's going to start burning. Oops, sorry about that. As it gets ignited. More smoke. We'll smoke a little bit. The white smoke, usually once it's running, the white smoke indicates that it's low on fuel. The black smoke is too much fuel, and that's what I've determined. I can hear it rumbling a little bit. It's starting a low growl, and then we'll get everything up to temperature. The outside temperature today is probably low 40s, so it's taking a little more heat. Normally, right. Right at the fuel exit point. Nice and warm. This is straight used motor oil. There's no diesel or no additive.